What role does DNA structure play in forensic investigations? Imagine solving a mystery with a code so unique that it can identify a person from just a tiny piece of evidence. That's where DNA structure becomes a key player in forensic science. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is made of two long strands twisted into a double helix. These strands are composed of four chemical bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The order of these bases forms a special pattern that acts like a biological fingerprint. Forensic scientists analyze specific parts of DNA called short tandem repeats. These are short sequences of bases that repeat over and over. The number of repeats varies from person to person, making each individual's DNA profile unique. To examine these regions, scientists use a process called polymerase chain reaction, which makes millions of copies of the DNA segments. This is especially useful when working with small or degraded samples found at crime scenes. The structure of DNA allows for this copying process because the two strands are complementary. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine always pairs with guanine. This pairing helps scientists measure the length of the repeats accurately. By comparing these measurements from evidence and known samples, investigators can match a suspect to a crime scene with very high certainty. The chance that two unrelated people share the same DNA profile is extremely low, making this method very reliable. In some cases, nuclear DNA is not available, especially in old bones or hair. Here, mitochondrial DNA comes into play. Mitochondrial DNA is circular and exists in many copies inside each cell. Its structure makes it easier to analyze when nuclear DNA is missing, although it is less specific for individual identification. Understanding the structure of DNA is fundamental to forensic investigations. It explains why certain methods work so well and how tiny evidence can lead to big discoveries. The double helix and the sequence of bases form the scientific foundation for identifying individuals, solving crimes, and even helping with family relationship tests. This knowledge helps forensic experts connect biological evidence to real people, making it a powerful tool in justice and health alike.